Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. Following this most recent episode of Riyazotella, which is airing there on Moja Love, the host of the show, who is also a pastor, Bishop Makamu, is receiving quite a lot of heat and backlash on TikTok after this episode aired, you guys. Now, the reason why Bishop Makamu is receiving backlash is because in this episode, a stepfather had taken his stepson, of course, together with his wife to the show because of, certain, issues between them, you guys. Now, um, while on stage, as the man was explaining his situation, the stepson got so much angry at the stepfather to a point where he got physical with um, his stepfather. You guys, not only once was the stepfather slapped, the stepfather was slapped like 3 to 4 times, you guys, and Bishop Makamo did nothing, you guys. He just sat on the chair like nothing was happening while the old man was being murdered to a pulp by his stepson, you guys. Now, people are actually fuming at Bishop Makamo, saying that what kind of a man of God are you to allow um, an old man to be beaten up by his son while you're just sitting there doing nothing? They're saying that not only did the boy beat up his stepfather once, he beat her up like 3 to 4 times, and yet you sat down and did nothing. All in the name of views and cameras, you guys. Now, people are actually fuming and saying that Bishop Magamo, you should be ashamed of yourself for just allowing that boy to beat up his father on camera for the rest of the country to see, yet you did nothing. Now, people are fuming, and some of them are actually threatening to boycott or to never watch Riyadh ever again in their lives, you guys. Now, this episode was actually very, very much sad, seeing the old man, of course, weeping after being murdered to a pulp by his own son. Someone also insisted that Bishop Makama should actually be charged and arrested rather, for failing to protect this innocent man, all in the names of views and ratings. While others, you guys, were actually suggesting that the man should sue Ariazzot Ella for allowing him to be beaten up on on national television, rather. Others were saying that he should open a case, as this video can be used as evidence. People are actually saying that they're very much disappointed at Bishop Makamu, who is a man of God. They're saying that what he did showed no God in him. They're saying that it proved that all Bishop Makamo is all about is just securing the bag and making money. They're saying that he didn't act like a father at that moment. They have expressed a lot of disappointment at his, behavior, you guys. What do you think regarding this whole situation? Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video.